Hello, all. Welcome to chapter 19 from the book of Genesis. In the last chapter, we see that God and his two angels had visited Abraham, and God informed Abraham that he is going to destroy Sodom and Gomorrah because of the wickedness that this place had. In the beginning of this chapter, we see that the two angels that had accompanied God are the ones who move ahead and they reach at the gate of Sodom. So it looks like God has put in charge the two angels who accompanied him for the destruction of Sodom and Gomorrah. At the gate of Sodom, Lot greets the two angels and invites them home and makes food for them and asks them to spend the night with his family. Looks like Lot knows about the dangers of strangers in Sodom and Gomorrah, and that's why, as a courtesy, he invites them home. However, this is speculative, no clear uh, words or instructions regarding this matter have been specified in this chapter. We then see that Lot is surrounded by every young and old man of Sodom. They ask Lot to bring the men out so that they can know them carnally. However, Lot offers them his two virgin girls. The men of Sodom say that Lot was a foreigner and now he was acting like a judge, and said that they will harm Lot more than the guests in his house. At this point of time, the angels pull Lot inside and put blindness on the men who were trying to enter the house. The angels inform Lot to take his wife and girls to move out as they are going to destroy Sodom. But Lot lingers, and the angels take hold of Lot, his wife, and daughters and ask them to leave for the mountains and not look back. However, Lot says he won't make it in time and he will be destroyed along with the destruction of Sodom. This is why Lot takes permission to leave to the nearest town called Zoar, and the angels agree to this request. We then see that Lord rains brimstone and fire, and this destroys everything. In the previous chapters, we see that Sodom and Gomorrah was a place where there were tar pits, or there was a petroleum substance oozing right at the surface of the earth. So when fire and brimstone rained, there was complete destruction. As the destruction was happening, Lot's wife looks back and she becomes a pillar of salt. Now we see that Lot is afraid of living in Zoar and moves into a cave with his two daughters. Probably word has spread that Lot and his two children are the only ones who are safe, and people in this town are afraid because of what has already happened in Sodom and Gomorrah. So they were apprehensive about this family. The elder daughter says that no one will marry them after this incident. The elder daughter conspires with the younger one, and they come up with the conspiracy that they will make Lot drunk and then have a physical relationship with him for the sake of Lot's lineage. We then go on to see towards the end of the chapter that the first daughter bore a son, and he was called Moab. The Moabites are the descendants of uh, this son Moab. Second daughter bore a son called Ben-Ammi, children of Ammon. In the coming chapters, we will see that these descendants together have become enemies to the children of Israel. This is how the chapter has come to an end. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and until next time, praise the Lord and may God be with us all. Bye bye.